They were top of the league, that's right, for about an hour. Yeah, they probably will class it as a trophy. I think you're right. You know what they're like. Hello, fellow easy fitters, smart fitters, ultra power wheelers, whatever you want to call yourself. If you have one of these e-bike conversion kit wheels from LVBU, they're all the same, whatever you're called, but wanted to do a very quick video because there are now 3 options for you. So let's run through them quickly. 3 options, 3 different price points. First is, this is the original Easy Fit, Smart Fit, whatever you want to call it. In our tests, 20 to 30 miles, 20 plus on, we were doing on a Carrera hybrid, so sort of mountain bike type thing. Very heavy pilot, 20 plus. So if you are a light commuter, light leisure user, original battery will work for you with the wheel, with this is the smart controller. All the electronics are in here, so you don't need any sensors, works it all out for you. So price point $499, available on the website. So traditional, original, first type. Okay, developments at LVBU, slightly bigger battery. Here it is. So we're calling it the Smart Fit 2. 30 batteries in here, 20 batteries in there, 50% range. So we tested it, video on the YouTube channel. Again, heavy bike, heavy user, 30 to 40 miles. My test did 30 miles with around 20% of the battery left. Now, interesting, if you already have the original and you're thinking, I want to get another 50% more power, 50% more range, you can from us, and from us alone in the UK, buy the new battery. We're the first to have it, with a new controller, smart controller here. You'll also need a new charger because it's a quicker USB-C type charge, fast charger. Very, very important because it's the latest technology. It uses Bluetooth 5, so you'll need to check your smartphone that it can receive Bluetooth 5.0, so you're able to use the app. My old phone was maybe 4 years old. It wouldn't receive it. I had to upgrade my phone. So, new type battery, you need Bluetooth 5 on your smartphone to receive it. If you can receive it and you already have the original Easy Fit, Smart Fit, Electric Bicycle Club, whatever you want to call it, the LVBU wheel, you can use this wheel with this upgraded battery, upgraded charger, upgraded controller. We will send it to you for $399 with a free mobile phone holder to put your smartphone in. It's lightweight, there's no illegal throttles, there's no wires, there's no big chunky plastic boxes. So $399, upgrade this, must have Bluetooth 5. Now what if I don't have a wheel, I hear you say? Okay, if you're a larger commuter, doing more distances, if you're enjoying your leisure rides and you don't want to worry about how much assistance you use, all our tests are done on 50% assistance, by the way. We read online that some people say, oh, we only use 30%. Well, what's the point in having power and a battery if you're going to play around with the assistance it gives you? So we use 50% in the real world tests. What if you don't have a wheel and you want the new battery? Okay, Good stuff. First in the UK, only available from us in the UK at this current time. Go to bikekits.co.uk. This motorised wheel, this 8.7 amps per hour larger, newer battery, this smarter controller, this charger, this mobile phone holder, the complete kit with fitting tools, with instructions, with technical support, available online, $599. Change your regular bike into an e-bike that will do 30 to 40 miles per charge for $599. We think that's great, so let's remind you, $599, $499 for this kit. If you have this kit but you want to upgrade from the smaller battery to the bigger, newer battery, $399 for an upgrade. So head to bikekits.co.uk, find the right kit for you or whoever you're buying for, and this chat online if you need it, send us an email if you need it, and stock available online, bikekits.co.uk. They always come second, always the bridesmaids, never the bride.